So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. And there is a very big news that is coming, that result of SBI clerk mains. Yeah, result of SBI clerk mains, for which you all were waiting, is expected to be declared by end of December 2020. So I hope this result will definitely bring something new for you. As you have seen, this 2020 is was not so good, but still we can expect that SBI will bring something new, something good for you. I hope the exam that you have given, this SBI clerk mains, is uh, will definitely come out with new opportunity for you all in SBI. And we can expect that with the coming out of this result, we can also expect, nothing is certain, but we can expect that SBI clerk 2021 SBI clerk 2021 may come out. We can expect this vacancy in February to March, or by end of April. We can only expect that this will come, and if it comes, then it will be very big opportunity for all those who have not done well in this SBI clerkman's 2020. So we can expect that SBI will come with this vacancy. Recently we have seen that SBI has come out with SBI PO for 2000 vacancy. So every year it comes out fix 2000 vacancy for SBI PO. But SBI clerk is not certain, but still we can expect that SBI clerk 2021 will come and will definitely bring something new for you. So that's news for today, that SBI clerk result will get declared by 31 December 2020.